Welcome back to Natural Earth Living, where we uncover the magic of nature, from plants to animals, all in pursuit of sustainable living. Today, we're diving into one of the most incredible, versatile plants you can grow: ginger. Whether you're using it for its flavor, its health benefits, or its healing property, ginger is a must-have in any natural living lifestyle. Let's talk about how you can grow, harvest, and use ginger, plus some secrets you may not know about this powerful root. First things first, if you've ever wanted to grow your own ginger, it's surprisingly simple. Ginger loves warm, humid environments, so it's perfect for growing indoors or in tropical climates. If you live in a cooler area, you can grow it in pots indoors during the colder month. Here's how to start. 1. Choose a good rhizome. Look for healthy, plump ginger roots at your local store. Make sure they have at least a few eyes, those little buds on the root where new growth will sprout. 2. Cut and soak. If needed, cut the rhizomes into pieces, ensuring each piece has at least one eye. Soak them in warm water for a few hours to encourage sprouting. 3. Plant the rhizomes in well-draining, rich soil, around 2 inches deep. Ensure your growing area gets plenty of light, but isn't exposed to harsh direct sunlight, which can dry out the plants. Ginger thrives in partial shade. 4. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Ginger loves humidity, so if you're growing it indoors, you may want to mist it regularly or use a humidity tray. 5. Patience. Ginger grows slowly, so don't expect a harvest for about 8 to 10 months. But once it does, you'll be rewarded with fresh, flavorful roots. Now, let's talk about harvesting. Ginger takes time, but it's so worth the wait. When your ginger plant is about 8 to 10 months old and has lush green leaves, it's time to harvest. You can carefully dig around the root with your hands or a small spade to uncover the ginger. You can either harvest the entire root for a full crop or harvest selectively by cutting off a piece of the root while leaving the rest of the plant to keep growing. Make sure to leave some rhizomes in the soil if you want a second harvest next season. Did you know that ginger grows wild in some places, though not exactly the same as the tropical ginger we cultivate at home? You can sometimes find wild ginger, or Asarum canadense, growing in wooded areas, particularly in the eastern US. Wild ginger is a smaller, less spicy relative of the ginger we use in cooking, but its rhizomes have similar medicinal properties. If you're foraging for wild ginger, make sure to never harvest more than you need, and always double-check your identification. Wild ginger often grows under deciduous trees and can be recognized by its heart-shaped leaves and brownish-purple flowers. Let's talk about one of my favorite ways to use ginger tea. It's incredibly simple, warming, and full of health benefits. Here's how you make it. 1. Slice fresh ginger into thin pieces, about 1 to 2 inches. 2. Boil them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how strong you want the flavor. 3. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon for sweetness and extra health benefits. This tea is perfect for soothing sore throats, calming nausea, and improving digestion. If you have any digestive issues, try sipping on ginger tea before meals. It's fantastic for boosting metabolism and calming inflammation in the stomach. Ginger isn't just good for cooking, it's an incredible medicine. The active compounds in ginger, particularly gingerols and sugarols, have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here are just a few of the hidden benefits you might not know about. Digestive health. Ginger can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. It stimulates the production of digestive juices and enzymes, making it great for improving gut health. Nausea relief. It's well known for easing morning sickness, motion sickness, and nausea from chemotherapy. Pain relief. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, which makes it fantastic for treating joint pain, arthritis, and muscle soreness. Boosts immunity. The compounds in ginger can strengthen the immune system, making it a great remedy for colds and flu. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin. So if you're looking for a natural remedy for inflammation, digestive issues, or even just a pick-me-up, ginger should be your go-to. Of course, ginger isn't just for tea. It can be used in a variety of delicious recipes that are as nutritious as they are tasty. Here are some favorites. Ginger smoothie. Blend fresh ginger with fruit like pineapple, mango, and banana for a refreshing anti-inflammatory smoothie. Ginger cookies. If you're craving something sweet, try baking ginger cookies. The warming flavor of ginger pairs beautifully with cinnamon and molasses for a perfect winter treat. Stir fry. Add sliced ginger to your stir fries for an extra kick. It pairs perfectly with soy sauce, garlic, and sesame oil. There's no shortage of ways to use ginger in the kitchen. Whether you're growing it at home, foraging for it in the wild, or simply adding it to your meals, ginger is truly a powerful root. It's an all-in-one plant for flavor, health, and wellness, and it's easy to incorporate into your everyday life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more natural living tips. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to use ginger? We'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay rooted, stay wild, and stay well.